First, create a new design and choose Custom Size. Set the dimensions to something like 1000 by 1000. Then, click Create. Next, go to the Apps section and search for Image Splitter. This is the tool we'll be using. Once you're inside the Image Splitter app, upload your image. For this example, I'm using a cute dog photo. At the bottom, you can choose how many rows and columns you want. I'll keep it at 2 by 2. Now click Split Image. Canva will automatically divide the image into separate sections. Next, select Add Images to New Pages. After that, you can delete the first page if you don't need it. When everything looks good, click Share, then Download, and save the file as a PDF. Finally, print the pages, cut them out, and glue them together to create your large poster. And that's it, easy and effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.